Hey, good morning, guys. I hope everybody's having a good week so far. It's Wednesday. Woo woo, hump day. All right, so we are in week 5 of our online learning. Can y'all believe it? Wow, this year is surely passing by very fast. Okay, so let me get right into it. A few announcements. Progress reports will be getting mailed out to you on Friday. And so if you have not been doing any of your assignments, I did put zeros in for those assignments. But if you do the work, I will gladly go back and change those grades to a passing grade. So please feel free to go back and complete your assignments. All right. So this week we will be starting a poetry unit. The lesson needs to be done by Monday. I am giving extra time, although you shouldn't need it. It's super simple. We're kind of easing into poetry this week. Okay. I had kind of had a family emergency. My nephew's in the hospital, so that's the reason for the delay of your assignment for this week. So do your thing. I believe in you. That's your meme for the week. All right. Do your thing. I believe in you. All right. So I'm going to try to keep my video between 5 and 7 minutes because someone told me that they hadn't been watching them because they were too long. So I'm going to do my best to keep it short and sweet and get right to the point. All right, so life stories. Think about your life story. Who are you? What defines you? That could be a thing, an event, or a characteristic. It could be a person, or it could be a lot of little things. All right. So my life story. So example, I love my family. I love to travel, and I am a teacher. I moved around a lot as a child because my dad was in the military, and I love to sing. I grew up in the hood. So my thing would be traveling. Persons in this case will be my family. That's my foundation. By being in the military, that exposed me to a lot of different cultures, a lot of different foods, and that just ignited my passion to want to travel more. That military lifestyle. And since I moved around a lot, I didn't necessarily always make friends super easy because I was always moving. And so I looked to my family and my sisters as my friends. And so now that has resulted in us having a super close relationship. And I am super grateful for that. So I love my family, guys. So, 6 word memoirs. So, a memoir is a biography written from personal knowledge or special sources. So, a memoir sounds a lot like a memory. All right. If someone is writing an autobiography about themselves, then they're going to probably have to recall a lot of memories in order to write that autobiography. Okay. So, when you think of memoir, think of like memory. So, you might have to think about past experience to help you understand or help you write one. All right. So I'm going to go over a couple of them with you that some kids wrote and explain the deeper meaning behind them. So my life is based on lies. So this person was obviously lied to. The writer feels hurt and betrayed. The word based tells us that she built her life on those lies and used them as a foundation for her life. Okay. Used them as the basis for her life, which is very hurtful if you find out that, like, oh, the person that you thought was your aunt was your mom. It's actually your mom. So I've seen those different problems happen in different shows and things like that. Just the drama. So pink hair to piss you off. The writer is revolting against someone. So maybe it's her parents, could be her school. She's telling us that she intentionally did something to make someone else mad. That tells me whoever she's pissing off did something to her first, and she is retaliating. All right. Finally learned weird is a compliment. I feel like this person is finally just accepting themselves that they're different. They're saying that they may be weird, but that is who they are, that they like that they're weird. I mean, I like weird people. I mean, I'm a little weird myself, so maybe that's why I can relate. But I think all teachers are weird in a way. They have to be to want to be a teacher. Anyway, moving on. I found a million flaws with perfection. So this is a contradiction because if you're perfect, you don't have any flaws, right? Okay, so the author is pointing out that nothing or no one is perfect. However, maybe the person he or she loves is perfect for her or him, flaws and all. Okay, I found a million flaws with perfection. Or maybe it means that perfection isn't as good as a person thinks that it is. Something to think about. My mom had my boyfriend deported. So think about the now broken relationship this teen now has with his or her mom. The mom had them shipped off to another country, not another state, not another city, another country. All right. So the mom went out of her way to ship the boyfriend away from their child. So this 6 word memoir displays hurt and betrayal. Now we don't know the whole story. There could have been Um, who knows? Maybe the guy or girl was super abusive. Well, maybe the boyfriend was abusive, and the mom was like, "I got to get him out of here, so that I can protect my child." We don't know the whole story. We only have these 6 words. Okay, so these they don't give us, since you only have 6 words, we don't have a lot of information. So they leave us to fill in the blanks unless there's someone there to explain it. All right, so next steps. 6-word memoir assignment. Identifying what 6-word memoir. So one does not just simply do poetry. You have to feel the poetry. Okay, let me hear it because I'm at 5:36. All right. So your assignment, I'm going to give you 10 6-word memoirs. You are going to choose one that you can relate to and explain why you are relating to that one or why you can connect to it in a 5 to 7 sentence paragraph. Okay. Then you're going to watch a YouTube video called 6-Word Memoirs by Teens. I'm going to link that on the hub as well. And then after that, you're going to write 2 6-word memoirs and attach either a TikTok video or an image to represent each memoir. Now you can do a TikTok video where you say the 6-word memoir and then that's it, or you can type out your 6-word memoir and then include the image. All right. So I want you to do one over coronavirus, and then I want you to do one about whatever you want. Now you can do it as a PowerPoint as well. So if you're like, no, I don't want to make a TikTok video, you can just write out your 6-word memoir and then post your picture. Okay. All right. Any questions? All right. I got 30 seconds left. Please make sure that you email, text with any questions, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good week. Love you guys. Bye.